If you think digital marketing is just a posting on Instagram and running ads on Facebook, then you are already behind. You don't know digital marketing is not just a skill, it's a complete revenue ecosystem. If you learn it today right away, you can build a high paying job, you can have agency, you can have a personal brand, you can have freelancing skill. In this video, I will explain what is digital marketing, how you can learn digital marketing step by step in 2026, and what are the best channel on YouTube from where you can learn digital marketing. And fourth, what are the top demanding digital marketing skills in 2026 which you must learn. So watch this video till the end. We will discuss everything in practical so that you can decide which skill is best for you and what are the mistakes beginners do. We will discuss at the end. So be continue and just stay tuned till the end in this video. So first of all, we will discuss what is digital marketing. Very simple meaning, promoting product or services using internet to generate leads or sales. Digital marketing includes platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, email, and some paid advertising platform and website too. Today, every business is online, and wherever business exists, marketing is needed. That's why digital marketing always in demanding. Let's learn core areas of digital marketing. First is search engine optimization. Second, social media marketing. Third, performance marketing where Google Ads and Meta Ads exist. And fourth, email marketing. Fifth, affiliate marketing, marketing automation. And seventh, AI based automation. Eighth, content marketing. Here's the mistakes beginners do. They always try to learn everything at once. And that is the biggest mistake. They never expertise the core of digital marketing and they never become expert at one place. Let's go ahead to how to learn digital marketing step by step in 2026. In 2026, the rules is different. Watching courses is not just enough. Having certificate is also not enough. You have practical knowledge plus execution and plus AI leverage. Then you will have a complete digital marketing skills and you will have a work. Step 1, understanding the fundamental of marketing. Second, learn one skill in digital marketing. Maybe you performance marketing, maybe website, maybe email marketing, maybe email affiliate marketing, maybe social media marketing. It's anything. Content marketing, you have to decide where your interest is going on. Choose one skill in digital marketing and go deep in the skill at first. Step 3, practice on real project. Fourth, learn to use AI. With whatever the skills you are working with, you have to use AI. Maybe it's a content writing, maybe ad copy generating, maybe automation, maybe it's affiliate marketing, whatever the skills you have to use AI. Best YouTube channel for digital marketing. First is Branding, second Simply Learn, third Alex Catoni, fourth Gravy, fifth HubSpot Academy. So these are the 5 top best YouTube channel from where you can learn in depth about digital marketing in different skills. Now let's answer the biggest question. What is the top demanding skills in digital marketing? It is not just SEO, it is not just social media. It is very powerful, which is performance marketing plus AI automation. Because businesses are very careful to one thing, that is leads, sales, and ROI. So these are the 3 results business always expect from the marketers. And this is the skill. Performance marketing plus AI automation will generate these results very quickly. Top 3 demand skill. First is performance marketing, Google Ads and Meta Ads you have to learn. Second, marketing automation. And third, AI driving content strategy. Combine these, you can be a high income marketer. There is a huge career opportunity. You can have a good job starting from $700 to $1,000 in the beginning if you have a exact knowledge over the marketing, start freelancing, build your own agency, launch your personal brand, generate affiliate income. Are the 5 different opportunity you can start from at first. But remember, these are the skill based income, not really. The more you practice the skill, the more you do practical real project, the more your income will be high. I have a roadmap for you. If you are a beginner in this skill and you just want to learn this skill and want to go ahead having this skill, then first master the foundation of digital marketing, then choose one top skill where you are interested in. You don't have to focus all skills at once. You have to focus one. You have to master one skill. Second, do real project. Practice daily. Use AI tools. Make your portfolio. Focus on measurable results and share the results on social medias. If you are capable to share on different resources, you can do. But you must have a portfolio because portfolio always impress the client, the customer. If you are serious starting digital marketing skills in 2026, comment below yes. Then this yes comment will let me know that you are very serious, you are very committed to your career, to your life. If you got this video helpful or informative, like this video, share to your friends and make sure you have subscribed this channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.